Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete PicsArt file on Android. So first of all, go for your file manager. Now search for your PicsArt file. If you don't see that file here, just search for here simply PicsArt. Now you can see this is the PicsArt file of mine. So just press on it and you can delete it from here. So yeah, this is how you can delete PicsArt files on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.